Alright. I think this is the right angle to do it at. Alright, this is vlog day number 2. We're basically doing the same thing. Same thing as last time. Typical Virginia Beach storm, wind, chop, swells, 2 to 3 foot. It's like port affair. It's pretty good, so I'm gonna head out there. Yeah, I just got a call from the buddies, and they already left, but got this set up. Pro, j.o.b. Last time I said that I was probably gonna use the j.o.b, but I ended up not at all using it, and just sticking with the shortboard. So I don't know. I'm thinking I'm probably gonna use the j.o.b because I'm going out with my buddies who longboard, so gotta roll with the pack, you know. But I don't know. We'll see. So we'll make this a quick one because I got less to say. So see ya when we get to the beach, I guess.
We always knew you were the better half of the good times.
Use the left lane to stay to the left. East toward Virginia Beach.
Search through my life and I think it's time for me. It's time to embrace this part of me. Love is the answer to most of my questions you can't comprehend. And if I get back to the real world, I'll be back in time. Woo!
A little nice parking right in front of the homie's car, I'm pretty sure. Check the spot. Man. Buenos. We're here. Got the homie's car. I'm gonna go ahead and throw my stuff on, and then go ahead and get out there. So, all right. So today I'm definitely gonna start with the pinky. This is what we're looking at right now. Got the broski Aiden, got the broski Dave, fucking coming in right now. Not much wind chop, so we'll see. But broski. Let's see if I can get Dave coming in on a wave. Oh, get it, Dave. Yoo. Oh, what up? What up? How's it going? All right, that's the end of that surf session. My buddies left pretty early, so left just me out there, and I was out there by myself for like probably about a good hour, and like dolphins started jumping. And it just got real scary. I thought it was the sharks. Thought there were some sharks out there, but I'm alive. Surf session's done. My toes are frozen off, but we're chilling. I stayed on the pinky the whole time. We'll see how those waves look on the camera, but again, they're real slow. Like, look at that. It's basically the gist of it. But I mean, about to head home, but probably head back. There's a jetty. Yeah, but I mean, it was a good session. People are starting to come in now, so yeah, I guess I'll check in with the car, or at the car. So I'm gonna go ahead and run out of here, so. Sweet. Ooh, borderline dying from this cold. There's like a stadium nearby and like some concert thing going on. Oh, shit. Cold. Oh, it's cold. You gotta breathe through the freezing. Alright, so this is a nice little check-in. I'm done for the day. This is vlog day number 2, I guess. Or this is gonna be my second video on my channel, but yeah, basically same thing as the first video. This is just basically just as normal as it gets in Virginia Beach, Croatan. These waves are pretty similar, and like they're like normally ranging 2 to 3 foot range, like not that much face, like not the most perfect conditions, but it's so fun to just get out there, freezing cold, jump in. Like wind chop, it's like you never know. All of a sudden, like you're sitting out there, and then like you never know when like a face is about to build up. Like you kind of have the right idea of like where you're supposed to be, and then boom, out of nowhere, nice swell picks up, and you're like, oh shit. Get on the face, and then you just ease out, lean back, slip, fall. Yeah, it's basically the gist of it. So, but it was a lot of fun. I was able to get that out there like earlier today, so I left around 11. The water temperature was probably like just around like 60 degrees, so that was nice. Man, I gotta get better at getting to the point of these conversations, but rambling's okay too, I guess. Swear. We'll get out of here. Fucking, yeah, it's about time. It's about time to get out of here. So, but good day. Good vlog number 2. Shit, this might be where I fucking cut.